So here we are with James from Wyrestorm. Hello, James.
Hi there.
So what do you think of the show this year?
Oh, it's another great event from Invision. They've done a really great job. The organisation's been excellent. Everyone's really psyched up for it. It's only the morning and already attendance is great. So we've had a lot of new customers and old customers come and see us, and we've got a lot to show them this year as well.
Fantastic. So what's new on Wyrestorm?
We're showing our new Network HD Touch app, which is a free app for the Network HD system. This adds a great live video preview feed, and we think it's the best AV control interface ever. That integrates with our new Enado Mini system, which has just been updated to the new version 4 firmware, adds loads of new features, but adds great source control for any devices in the Network HD lineup.
So tell us a little bit about Enado.
So Enado V4, we've just started shipping that at the beginning of the year, and it was a free online update for all Enado controllers. It adds some key new features, so new remote access permalinks, which means that you don't need to set up dynamic DNS to get remote access onto the system. Pop-up button groups, which means the UI can be made really interesting. You can pop up a button group and add additional UI elements that weren't there before. You can now launch iOS and Android apps from the interface as well, which gives us integration with Sonos, Nest, Autonomics, and a whole host of other apps. And my personal favourite is integration with the If This Then That website. If This Then That is driving the Internet of Things, and by integrating it with Enado, we can trigger 100 presets on Enado, which could be any macro in the Enado UI, to come from an If This Then That trigger. So this gives us integration with timed events, location-based controls, but my favourite is the Amazon Alexa voice assistant, and that means that I can now say Alexa trigger BBC One, and Enado will turn on the TV, turn on the AVR, trigger the matrix to switch to the correct input, and of course turn the skybox on to BBC One, all with a single voice command. And it's voice control that really works, so we're thrilled to be working with that.
Will it understand my accent?
It's pretty good with accents. We've been testing it. We've been testing it in Birmingham and Manchester, and our own in-house guys. We have many guys from up north, and it's understanding them pretty well as well. So it's yeah, it really does work. It's been very well received.
Could you give us an example of these cases? If X, then something.
Okay, so where we're seeing a lot of use for the product, residential, of course. Invision now doing a host of residential installs with Enado, but we attack many verticals. So we focus very heavily on bars, sports bars, clubs, restaurants, where Enado is being used to add switching control. And actually, the Network HD Touch app was designed off the feedback that we had from a lot of wait staff in these bars, clubs, and restaurant environments, where they wanted to be able to see the video that they're switching, and that was why we created this live video preview, because it just makes it so easy for the user to say, I want that video source to go onto that screen, and just drag and drop the content on there. So it's a really unique AV experience, but we're very proud of what we've achieved with that app.
Fantastic, thank you very much.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Click below to subscribe, and be sure to follow Inside CI on Twitter, Facebook and Google+.